when you have an equation, when you have a line, you can use your 2 points to figure out your equation, which will then give you both your slope and your constant of variation. Using the first point, negative 1, 2, you would put it into the y equal kx. And so you would have 2 is equal to k times negative 1. You would divide by negative 1. 2 divided by negative 1 is negative 2 is equal to your k. So y is equal to negative 2x is your equation, and your constant of variation is negative 2. We learned previously that when you have y by itself, your slope is the number in front of x, therefore it is negative 2 also. You could also use your rise over run. We go up 2 and over 1, so that's 2 over 1. It goes down to the right, so it's negative. If you used your first point here, you would say 3 is equal to k times 1, divide by 1, and 3 is equal to k. So y is equal to 3x is your equation. Your constant of variation is 3. If you do your rise over run, you go up 3 and over 1, your slope is 3. You have the points 0, 0, and negative 2, negative 3. So negative 3 is equal to k times negative 2. So negative 3 over negative 2 is equal to k. So y is equal to 3 halves x. Your constant of variation is 3 over 2. Using your rise over run, you go up 3 and over 2. Your slope is also 3 over 2. What you should have recognized from this is that your constant of variation and your slope will be the same thing. Y is 4 when x is 2, so we're going to say 4 is equal to k times 2. Divide by 2, and 2 is equal to k. So y is equal to 2x is my equation. Y is equal to 2 times 16. Y is equal to 32. 9 equals k times negative 3. Divide by negative 3, and so negative 3 is equal to k. Y is equal to negative 3. X is your equation. Put 6 in for y, so 6 is equal to negative 3x. Divide by negative 3, and negative 2 is equal to x. Negative 4.8 is equal to k times negative 1.6. Divide by negative 1.6, and 3 is equal to k. So y is equal to 3k. Put negative 24 in for y. Negative 24 is equal to 3k. Not 3k, it's 3x. My bad. Divide by 3, and negative 8 is equal to x. 1/4 is equal to k times 1/8. You would do 1/4 divided by 1/8 in your calculator using parentheses, and you would get 2 is equal to k. So y is equal to 2x. Put 3 over 16 in for y. And then you would take 3 divided by 16 in parentheses divided by 2. And 3 over 32 is equal to x. All right, that finishes up your notes on direct variation. This is the second video. You should have the front and the back done by now, and you should be ready to go on to your assignment. Call me over if you have any questions.